Gold yesterday created a bearish candle and the price has started to move down. We can see that the price formed a bearish candle with the smaller wick on the upper side and the larger wick on the lower side, where we can see that the price tried to move down, but the price has returned back above because the price has found a small support here where the buys are located. But at the end of the day, the candle has closed below this open and close price of these three candles and also these two candles, which means currently the bears are a little bit more stronger than the bulls, and we can see that this current day has started with this bearish candle. Now if we go to the yesterday on a 1 hour time frame to see how the price has behaved yesterday, we can see that the price started here with this bearish candle, gone all the way to the 2894.33 support level and then returned back above, and we can see here it was a bullish breakout above 2904.26, indicating further rise in value. And this is something that has happened. The price slightly returned back down but continued to rise in value. This breakout has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis with the target here, and we can see it was a successful breakout information for the traders inside the premium analysis, so it was a profitable one. If you would like to receive this update like this in this example, feel free to check and join the premium analysis. Now, after the price has bounced from this support level, just like in this case, the day before, we can see the price has returned back above and reached again 2921.21, 22 resistance level, and bouncing from that and currently heading down. So we can see and make the conclusion, what you can see is currently that the price is still inside this range area, which is lasting for several days. We can see from the 4th of March, and we can see it is still bouncing between these two price levels, which means there is no enough strength from the bulls and the buys to push the price outside from this range area. What we can expect today based on this what we can see? Well, we can see that currently also on the 4 hour time frame the price is bouncing between these two price levels. The daily shows me currently that we have found a bearish breakout on the daily time frame, which means where the next support level will be probably around this one here, very close to the support level where the price has reached yesterday around 2893, 2892. And that is visible on the 1 hour time frame. It is around 2894.33. where the price could not make a bearish breakout. So this is potentially today the target, what I can see currently based on the yesterday day. So first of all, I would like to see the bearish breakout happening here around 2904.26, and then we will see the price going further down. First of all, the support level where the price will stop probably will be around here, 2899, and then it is 2894.33. This will be also the third attempt. Now this is the daily time frame that shows me currently on the chart, because after this bearish breakout the price tends to move to the next support level, and that is around here, around 2893 and also 2897. This is the area where I'm expecting the price to reach today, and we can see the price tried almost, but I'm expecting to happen again. Will it happen? Will the price continue to lose its value going all the way to 2878.61? This is something to watch, because we are currently inside this range area where the price is bouncing. We can see for the last 3 days. So I'm expecting to see the price moving outside from this range area. Especially what is very important today is it is a Friday. So on Friday, especially, you need to be careful, because on a Friday, the price in the afternoon tends to move slightly, sometimes pretty volatile can be, because the price also experiencing the traders getting outside of their trades, which means that they are locking their profits and also moving outside from the trades, because they do not want to stay in the trade over the weekend, because of the gaps can happen because of the news happening in the world. So this is something that is very important to be careful, and especially because the price is currently inside this range area. We can see that here. It's very important to be careful, because they could be also false breakouts, which means the price could bounce down and return back above immediately, or also making a bullish break going above and then bounce back down. So that's why I'm very careful today, and it will be less trading activities from my side, and also less trading opportunities that I will also share with the traders, because I'm careful, because the price is inside this range area where the price cannot find its very clear way outside, so there could be a high volatility on the market that could also trigger some kind of a stop loss if you put stop loss very near. To trade in this case, it is also good to use lower lot size, which means you are reducing the risk per pip, and then move your stop loss wider, so if the price bounces between these two price levels, not triggering the stop loss, which could be very close to this resistance or to support level, depending are you buying or selling the pair. So for now, today I'm very careful and watching to see how the price will behave, but currently on the 1 hour time frame, I have said I am waiting for the price to make a bearish breakout, indicating further decline down, or if the price makes a bullish breakout, like in this example yesterday here, targeting higher price levels, where the next resistance level will be, which is a very important one, will be 2921.22. If you have also your idea where the price could go from this area of the range area, indecision range area, feel free to share your thoughts so we can see what the major of the traders are thinking about. That's all for today, and do not remember to join the premium analysis, where I'm sharing all the details and also breakouts on different pairs: gold, silver, EURUSD, GBP/USD, Bitcoin, Nasdaq, US30, and Japanese yen. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.